Hi everyone, and welcome to another video by Mental Wellbeing Tips. Stress is a common side effect of trauma, and it can be challenging to manage. Today we'll be discussing a simple and effective technique called Progressive Muscle Relaxation, which can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. What is Progressive Muscle Relaxation? Progressive Muscle Relaxation is a technique that involves tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups in the body. The goal is to help you become more aware of physical sensations of tension and relaxation, and to develop a deeper sense of relaxation. How to practice progressive muscle relaxation? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to practice progressive muscle relaxation. Start by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to relax. Start with your feet and tense the muscles in your feet for 5 to 10 seconds. Then, release the tension and feel the muscles relaxing. Move up to your calves and tense the muscles for 5 to 10 seconds. Then, release the tension and feel the muscles relaxing. Next, move to your thighs, tensing the muscles for 5 to 10 seconds. And then releasing the tension. Then, tense the muscles in your hips and lower back for 5 to 10 seconds. And then release the tension. Move up to your torso, tensing the muscles in your stomach and chest for 5 to 10 seconds. And then releasing the tension. Move to your arms, tensing the muscles in your arms and hands for 5 to 10 seconds. And then releasing the tension. Move to your neck and shoulders, tensing the muscles for 5 to 10 seconds. And then releasing the tension. Finally, move to your face, tensing the muscles in your face, jaw, and forehead for 5 to 10 seconds. And then releasing the tension. Now that you have completed the progressive muscle relaxation technique, it's time to end the session and bring a sense of overall relaxation to your body and mind. Let's end with a few deep breaths. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold it for 4 seconds. And then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold it for 4 seconds. And then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. One more time. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold it for 4 seconds. And then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Feel your body becoming more and more relaxed with each breath. Take a moment to scan your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Breathe into these areas, imagining the tension melting away. Finally, bring to mind a positive affirmation or thought that helps you feel relaxed and at peace. This could be a mantra, a happy memory, or a phrase that brings you comfort. For me, it is a verse from the Bible. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. Hold on to this feeling and allow it to sink into your body and mind. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your surroundings. Taking a moment to acknowledge the feelings of relaxation and peace. Remember that these feelings can stay with you even after the session has ended. That's it for this guided progressive muscle relaxation session. What are the benefits of progressive muscle relaxation? Practicing progressive muscle relaxation has many benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving sleep, and increasing overall well-being. It's also a simple and easy technique that you can practice anywhere, at any time. In conclusion, progressive muscle relaxation is a simple and effective technique for managing stress by becoming more aware of physical sensations of tension and relaxation. You can develop a deeper sense of relaxation and reduce stress. Remember, it may take some time to get the hang of it, so be patient with yourself and keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video on progressive muscle relaxation for stress management. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on mental health and wellness.